Common English phrases and sentences you might need to speak English better. Ouvre porte là. In English, you say that. Open the door.
Open the door.
Open the door. Ouvre porte là. Open the door. Repeat after me. Ouvre porte là. Open the door. Ferme fenêtre là. You say that in English. Close the window.
Close the windows.
Close the window. Ferme fenêtre là. Close the window. En aller ensemble. Let's go together.
Let's go together.
Let's go together. En aller ensemble. Let's go together. Repeat after me. En aller ensemble. Let's go together. Let's go together. Let's go together. Li vraiment bon. It's very good.
It's very good.
Repeat after me. It's very good. It's very good. Li vraiment bon. It's very good. Li vraiment bon. It's very good. Parlez avec moi. Parlez avec. Talk to me.
Talk to me.
Parlez avec. Parlez avec non. Talk to me. Hey, talk to me. Parlez avec. Talk to me. Moi pas peur non. Pas peur non. I am not afraid.
I am not afraid.
I am not afraid. I'm not afraid. Repeat after me. I'm not afraid. Pas peur non. I'm not afraid. Good. Qui est mademoiselle? Qui est mademoiselle? Who is she?
Who is she?
Who is she? Who is she? Who is she? Repeat after me. Who is she? Yes, mademoiselle. Who is she? Yes, mademoiselle. Who is she? Moi parle anglais, oui? Parle anglais, oui? Yes, I speak English.
Yes, I speak English.
Yes, I speak English. Parle anglais. Yes, I speak English. Parle anglais. Yes, I speak English. Ah, oui, parle anglais. Parle anglais. Yes, I speak English. M'a travaillé ici à longtemps. I've been working here for long.
I've been working here for a long.
Have been working here for long. M'a travaillé ici à longtemps. I've been working here for long. Li se ti frem. Li se ti frem. Monsieur se ti frem. He is my little brother.
He's my little brother.
Li se ti frem. He is my little brother. He's my little brother. He is my little brother. Li se ti frem. Se ti frem liye. He is my little brother. Ouvre porte là. Open the door. Ferme fenêtre là. Close the window. En aller ensemble. Let's go together. Li vraiment bon. Ah, manger ah? Oh, li vraiment bon. Manger vraiment bon. It's very good. It's very good. Parle avec nous. Talk to me. Pas non? I am not afraid. Yes, mademoiselle. Who is she? Parle anglais? Yes, I speak English. M'a travaillé ici à longtemps. I've been working here for long. Li se ti frem. He is my little brother. This is part 1. If you appreciate the video, please like, share, and comment. And if you really enjoyed the video and would like to watch the second part and part 3, please subscribe. Moi di ou sa deja oui, abonnez pour pas rater l'autre partie qui vini yo parce que une partie 2, partie 3. I am Teacher Daniot. Catch you in the next parts.